What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick update on net gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? And price just broke below 50 EMA, like I mentioned in my last video. With that, price forms a swing high bearish engulfing pattern. That is one of my sell signal. And looking at that, I'm expecting a price to now push lower to the next level of support, which is right here. As you can see, these numbers in blue. I've already mentioned these zones in my previous video. Feel free to check them out and mark these zones on all three platforms, including nemixcapital.com and Owanda. So for now, that is an entry for me. If you are not a very aggressive trader, if you want to enter a little bit higher, something like this, I'll go 180, which is at this point 10. And for my second target, I will manage my trades, could be possibly till this recent zone or a little bit higher. So that is all I'm looking at. Pullback entry bearish. And let's see how this goes. Again, guys, take your trades on your own risk. It's just my opinion. Nothing should be taken as any sort of trading advice. It is something how I personally take my trades and just sharing here with you. Exactly same here on Nemex. We had a retest followed by bearish engulfer. And looking at that, I'm expecting a price to now push lower. At least 180 for the initial targets, and then manage your trades to 280 and then accordingly to the zone below right here. Exactly the same here on Owanda. The zone below is right here. As you can see, this green zone that was mentioned in my weekend's video. So looking at that, expect 180 to 280 push down from here. Remember, guys, always trade with a stop loss. It is not guaranteed all the time. It can go against you as well. That is why stop losses must be there to protect your accounts. So keep an eye. Looking at that, that's my valid swing high bearish engulfing entry. Next up, we have gold. Gold is now pushing up from 50% retracement as mentioned in my last video. Now, if you have used the upper level, that is also fine. If you have used the lower level, that still didn't trigger. But I've also mentioned the entries from the upper level that is now pushing up nicely. Both is valid. Now, if you remember, I've said that take your profits 180 till here, then till here, and then till 1.618 retracement. And if you have entered at 50% right here to 786 retracement, it is almost $14, 1,477 pips. And then moving towards the second target, it is 2,552 pips. And then the bigger target is 5,600 pips. Again, manage your trades. It is very important. So looking at that, I'm still expecting a price to push up, but expect some pullbacks. But let's see what I've said in my last video so that we can connect the dots from there. I recommend anyone to take aggressive entry, but if you choose to, then stop loss can be below this pattern, take profit can be 1.618 retracement. So that is something if you are using the upper level. But I will recommend if you are using this 50% retracement, then take your profits, chunk of profit, maybe in a way up, right here, and then right here. Nice one. So as planned, it is pushing higher now. Once we have broken above these highs, it is very likely the price will give us some sort of pullbacks and correction before it will push up again. So in that process, the less aggressive traders can look for the pullback entry bullish above 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfer, go 180 280 and manage your trades accordingly. I'm still expecting a price to go till 1.618 retracement. So pullback entry bullish is still in the play for the less aggressive traders. Keep an eye. I'm expecting a price to push up, but with pullbacks and some breathers. Here on silver, now it is also pushing up nicely from 50% retracement. It did push down, but we are now getting a possible bullish engulfing pattern. If that turns out to be a bullish engulfing pattern, must be a valid pattern, must engulf the previous candle from the body to the higher body. If that's valid on your own platform, then you can always go for that trades. So looking at that, 180 first target, and you can manage your trades to the zone above, which is right here. That was already mentioned to you. And from this zone, I'm looking for the possible bearish engulfers or double top entry condition to go for the counter trend. Sell trades short term, and we'll see how it goes from there. For now, we have a buy signal at 50%. And we are getting a possible bullish engulfer. If that closes the bullish engulfer, that is also one of my buy signal. Keep an eye and let's see how this goes. We can still get some sort of pullback above 50 EMA, some more pullback if the price forms bullish engulfer above 50 EMA. That is even a strongest and the best entry for silver. Keep an eye on these conditions and valid entries. Finally, we have crude oil. Crude oil is still inside the range I've mentioned in my last video. I've not broken above the range above or below. So I will not risk my trades at this point, but wait till the complete breakout. As you can see, the wick has gone above, but the body did not close. If the body closes above solid, I want to see a solid close. If that happens, that is a signal that price of crude oil will likely to push up to this level above, which is right here, these numbers in blue. If the price go range mode, in that case I will still look for the breakout below. If that happens with a dramatic push, some sort of news event, in that case the crude oil will push lower. So for now, expect some range from here to here and from here to here. That is all I'm looking at, the range mode for crude oil before we will see a breakout, and that breakout will confirm which side we are gonna go up or down. So that is it for today's video. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.